They say architecture is frozen music. If that's true, then this home is a symphony. Welcome to Spirio, a 5-level landmark on the Sovereign Islands that takes its name from the iconic Steinway & Sons piano. It's not just a residence, it's an extraordinary composition of light, scale, and a rare artistry that towers 15 metres above the most prestigious street in all of Queensland. This wasn't a standard build. The brief was simple: build me your best home. Architect Jared Poole and David Radic Prestige Homes answered with a 1,434 square metre floor plan that dissolves the boundary between the internal and the external. These glass doors, they're 6.5 metres tall and the largest of their kind in the Southern Hemisphere. With one touch, 2 entire levels of the home completely open up, inviting the breeze through every corridor. The interior palette is a study in quiet luxury. You have lustrous Italian marble and travertine contrasted against the softening curves of VJ paneling, while the Spirio piano performs itself in the first floor lounge. The rest of the home offers a suite of resort caliber amenities: a 15-metre lap pool, a private golf simulator, and 5 supersized bedroom suites, each with its own distinct identity. As you ascend to the rooftop, the home reaches its crescendo. From here, you have a 360-degree vantage point. On a clear night, you can see all the way to Brisbane, and on New Year's Eve, the horizon lights up with up to 8 different firework displays. Spirio is a virtuoso performance. It's for those who view luxury as a precision-engineered experience. Check the description for the full specs of this landmark estate, and let me know in the comments, is this the new standard for Gold Coast luxury?